Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix no valid QR code detected in WhatsApp. To fix the no valid QR code detected issue in the WhatsApp, follow this step-by-step solution. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have the stable internet connection on both your smartphone and PC, and update your WhatsApp application. Make sure using the latest version of WhatsApp, and outdated versions are cause compatibility issues with QR code scanning. You can update the WhatsApp through your device's app store and scan your QR code through the link. Now settings options are changed, so tap on the menu three dot or settings, tap on linked devices, tap on linked device. Now capture the QR code, it will be work fine. And clear the browser cache and cookies, and clear the browser cache and cookies can help to resolve any issues related to browser compatibility. Follow the steps by various browsers, Google Chrome, and go to settings and privacy and security. Clear the browsing data and check and select cookies and other site data and cached image and files, and click clear data. Try another browser. If you continue to face issues, consider switching to a different browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge and Safari and popular options. And adjust the camera focus. Ensure the smartphone camera is functioning properly and clean. If you have the protective case or screen, remove it before scanning the QR code and wait for few hours. After about the fixes, if you still getting no valid QR code detected while scanning the QR code, then wait for few hours till bug is fixed by WhatsApp team. And thanks for watching us.